If you want to add a Google account to your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, we have to open up our settings. After that, scroll down to your accounts and backup. Open it up, choose Manage Accounts, and press Add Account. Now choose a desired account, so in our case it's going to be Google. Now we have to verify our identity to use either PIN or our biometrics. Now you have to sign in, so enter your account's email. Press Next. Now enter your password. Press Next. Now you can save or unsave your password to your password manager. I'll save it. Press I agree. You need to agree to the Google Terms of Services. So choose your Google Play settings. I'll accept them. Now give your phone just a few moments to process everything. And basically that's it. Now we have our account added and you can use it everywhere you'd like. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.